All right, class, welcome to Monday, April 13th. And today, our goal or objective is to be able to take a number and find four different possibilities from that number. And on the screen, hopefully you can see those possibilities are 1 less, 1 more, 10 less, or 10 more. All right, and so I'm going to show you a couple of different ways, and I've got to start with this, what I call a number grid puzzle or a number grid snapshot here, and I've decided to use the number 52. Okay, and so taking this number, then I can ask four different questions. What is 1 less than 52? Okay, and we're talking ones here, 1 less, and so I'm dealing with the ones place. Okay, and so 1 less is 51. And now jumping across, 1 more, okay, again talking about the ones place, 1 more than 52 is 53. Now I was dealing with the ones place. Okay, and you can kind of see my mouse going around the ones place. Now, as I go top and bottom here, I'm going to talk tens place. So we want to talk 10 less than 52. All right, so I'm looking at that, the tens place, that's the 5. Okay, so 10 less is going to be 42. And 10 more is 62. Okay, now, all right, let me wipe this clean here. Okay, now showing you with base 10 blocks, because part of your problem set, or most of your problem set, will be dealing with base 10 blocks and not with those number grid puzzles. But talking base 10 blocks here, again, here's the number 52, and so again, whether I'm just taking it away or crossing it out or whatever, if I have the number 52 here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, if I'm talking 1 less, okay, I would just cross that off. Okay, and so then I would have 51, I could just count them again. All right, if I was talking 1 more, I would add. All right, 10 less, I would cross off at 10, but my ones, my leftovers over here would stay the same. All right, and then 10 more, I would add a 10. Okay, so using the base 10 blocks or just using that number grid puzzle, okay, or whatever you want to call it, okay, like this, and you could draw this if you wanted to help you out with your problem set. Good luck, and let me know if you have any questions.